Hello and welcome to part 12 of this web design tutorial for teens. In this part, we'll be looking more in depth at linking and using the A tag. So first, we're going to go down into and delete all of this entire table in our home page, and then we will we'll open up this file in File Explorer, and then double click it. Okay, so as you can see, now we have our nav bar in the top of the page. And then first, well, because our nav bar takes up too much space, to minimize it, you can go into the side of your screen on VS Code and then just click this down arrow. Now it's all minimized for you, and whenever we want to edit it, we'll just click it again and then it'll expand. So now, we covered this lightly in previous parts and in the last part. So A tags are just tags that you can use to link to your page, to other pages on your page, to images, or to other websites. So first, let's try linking to our About Us page. We did this in our previous part. So we just type href, and then we type the location of our About Us file. And now if we type About Us, and then click Save, and then go back, and then refresh, we can see that there's a link to the About Us page. Now if we click it, we'll be taken to this About Us page. Now we can go back to our page, and then we can also link to other websites. So to do this, we will make an A tag again, and then we'll type href, and then let's say we want to link to Google. So we just type https, and then we do the forward slashes, and then google.com. And then we type Google here. Now if we go back and then refresh our page, we can click the Google link, and then we'll be taken to the Google page. Now we can go back, and then we can also link to a picture or an image. So to do that, first we have to download an image. So how about we get a puppy image? We just look up puppy, and then we go to images, and then we can choose which image we want. Oh, I don't know what happened there. We can choose what image we want. Let's say this one. And then we'll click Save Image As. And then we'll go into our location of the location that we have our project in, which is in this PC, and then the C drive, and then HTML tutorial. Now we can click Save. And if we go back into our VS Code, we can see that there's an image of a Labrador retriever in our folder. So we can link to there by typing href again, and then instead of google.com or a page, we just give it the location of the image, and then we'll call this dog image. Now if we click Save and then go back into our website, we can see that there's a dog image, and if we click it, we're taken to an image of a dog. So let's say we don't want our page, we don't want our link to go straight to in the same tab. What if we want to open our image in another tab automatically? To do that, we type in our A tag, we type target, and then underscore, and then blank. Now if we go back and then refresh, and then click the dog image, it opens up in another tab for us. Thank you for watching. This has been part 12 of this web design tutorial for teens. In this part, we covered using A tags. Please stay tuned.